Philippines to acquire 6 more T129 ATAK helicopters in Batch 3 for the Philippine Air Force. Turkish Aerospace Industries has delivered the second batch of 2 T129 ATAK ATAK helicopters for the Philippine Air Force. This brings the total delivery to 4. The deliveries started in March 2022, and the remaining 2 helicopters are expected to be delivered in 2023 to Clark Air Base, Pampanga. The deal was signed in 2020. The Philippine Air Force acquired the 6 T129s in line with the Armed Forces of the Philippines, AFP, Modernization Plan, Horizon 2. The Philippine Air Force 15th Strike Wing would operate the helicopters for close air support and armed surveillance and reconnaissance missions. On the other hand, the Philippine Air Force, satisfied with the performance and uptime of the helicopter, plans to order a second batch of 6 T129s. The country, which calculates that it needs to acquire a total of 24 helicopters to form a fleet, aims to reach 12 helicopters for the first time in the upcoming period. The force hopes to have 18 helicopters in its inventory next term. T129 ATAK is a twin-engine, tandem-seat, all-weather attack helicopter based on the Agusta A129 Mangusta platform. The ATAK program was launched in response to the Turkish Armed Forces' need for an attack and tactical reconnaissance helicopter. Along with upgraded engines, transmission, and rotor blades, the Turkish-developed avionics, airframe modifications, and weapon systems were integrated into the Agusta Westland A129 airframe. Other upgrades included the rotor blades. The contract's total cost for purchasing all 6 T129 helicopters is 13,727,248,240 Philippine pesos. Based on what the Philippine Air Force has displayed before, the T129 ATAK attack helicopters were delivered together with the ROKETSAN Sirat 70mm guided missile, 19-round rocket launchers for 70mm unguided rockets, as well as the built-in M197 20mm 3-barrel rotary cannon. The T129 can also be optionally armed with the ROKETSAN UMTAS anti-tank missile, an air-to-air Stinger short-range air-to-air missile, which the PAF has yet to acquire.